Introducing DocOzone, a human-friendly ozone generator made in Indonesia. Now you can conveniently stay in a room with a worry-free feeling. While you do your indoor activities with your loved ones, let DocOzone does the work, killing harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, or even dust mites. DocOzone is controlled by Android apps which ensure its safety and effectiveness. Just input your room dimension and how many people are there in the room altogether, then it will active automatically to fill the room within a duration that meets the information to achieve 0.3 ppm. It currently available in 3 colors, golden night, white pearl, and purple sky. With a portable, unique and high-tech design, with simple maintenance and maximum 50 watts electric consumption, you can enjoy a comfortable virus-free indoor environment with ease, worry-free. It is not an air purifier. It is not an ionizer nor an ordinary toxic ozone generator. It is much better. It is DocOzone, a human-friendly ozone generator. So, place your order now and give your loved ones the best thing in life, health. For more information, visit http://docozoneindonesia.com.